Hey cachers, have any of you checked out the Project GC website? There's challenge checkers, and what most cachers probably use it for, all the geocaching stats. There's so many stats on there, it's crazy! Seriously, they're like the Oprah of geocaching stats. You get a geocaching stat, and you get a geocaching stat, and you get a geocaching stat, and you, in the back there, yeah, even you get some geocaching statistics! Now my stats aren't the most impressive here because I'm still pretty new, but that's actually the best part about being new. No matter what you do, it's gonna add to your stats! Anyways, I was scrolling through here and I noticed there's a section that shows how many caches you found for each day of the week. As you can see, most of my finds are on a weekend, because just like Rush, that's why they call me the working man. And I don't know how or why, but I found exactly one cache on a Monday and on a Friday, and 3 caches on a Tuesday and a Thursday? Crazy. And if you look at Lonely Old Wednesday here, it's 0. It's the most loneliest geocaching day of the week. The most loneliest geocaching day of the week. Let's go change that. Alright, let's go see if we can find this cache. It's only a difficulty of 1, and I hope that's true because it's really cold and windy out here. Pretty sure that's where it's at. You think it's underneath this tree?
Yeah.
Let's go underneath the tree and find out.
Yeah. Sounds like we're like a fox.
Foxy. Yeah. Woo! Tree. Whew. Okay. We're underneath the tree. We're inside the tree. See a cache anywhere? Look around. Look up. High. Look high. Look low. Do you see a cache? Look at that. Sweet. That one was pretty easy to find, huh?
Look at that guy.
Gonna take a little bit of work to get that log out of there. It's in there deep, covered up by this rock and this big shotgun shell.
Oh yeah. Can't believe that, guys. Where is he? See his tree?
Hey. Look, there's the log. Let's sign it. There's some space right here. Lots of space on this log. Okay. There it is right there. It's a little light. Paper's a little soggy, but that's gonna have to count.
It's so yucky if it's soggy right now.
So this thing was just kind of chilling here out in the open. So I think we should try and cover it up a little bit more, just so it's not, completely exposed. Still a little bit of a search. There. Now maybe it won't get stolen, right?
Yeah.
Muggled. Which way do you want to get out of this tree? So many options. We gotta get out.
It's under here.
Now you may have noticed this wasn't an official Geo Challenge, but hey, that's one of the many things that's great about geocaching and Project GC. You can create your own challenges and goals and keep track of your accomplishments. Let's go change that! Oh, that didn't come off as good as I probably. Let's go change that. Again, this thing just don't come off easy. I gotta hang it on there easily. Let's go change that.